Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. In last session, you have studied up to SCF and LCM. I am going to start set theory. That is chapter 7th, set theory. I am going to start from that. First word, what is set? In this, you are familiar with this chapter from class 6. In 7th also given. In 8th class, this chapter is given in detail. What is set? A set is a collection of well-defined articles. What I say? A set is collection of well-defined article. What do you mean by well-defined? Well-defined. It means that suppose you are going to purchase the book, sure that you have taken the book of particular class, means what are the book in related to earth class, that book you have purchased. It means that is complete a set, means well defined. Suppose in same set, if the teacher has given one maths 9th class, physics 6th class, chemistry earth class, other book 5th class, that is not well defined, that is not a set. Means the student of particular class, means all students of class earth, that is a set. That is a set. All student in your school, that is a set. All the teacher in your school, that is a set. Means that is the meaning of well defined articles. Other thing, suppose you are going to purchase the dress, so that the shopkeeper, you will purchase one pant and one shirt, not like two pant and only one shirt, or two shirt no pant. That is not a set, but one pant one shirt, that is a set, meaning of well defined. Now some example I am going to give, and in your book also given about this. Now, what is a way of writing the set? Next heading, ways of writing set. Ways of writing set. See that a set is written by capital letter A, B, C, and so on, X, Y, Z. A set is written by capital letter A, B, C, and so on, X, Y, Z. And second one, the elements of set, written like small letter A, B, C, D, and so on, X, Y, and Z. This is a way of representing the set. Okay, representing the set. Next point, I am going to explain what are different way to write a set. In your book given different way writing for writing the set, what are different manners that you represent a set. See that first manner is known as, or way is known as roster form or tabular form. Second one, set builder form or rule method, are known as rule form or rule method. These are the two way of the writing the set. First one, roster or tabular form. Second one, set builder or rule method. Question will be that like, if question is given in roster form, you have to write in set builder form. If question is given in set builder form, you have to write in roster form. See that one example I am going to show that how can you write the set. Suppose one question generally I have given, all natural natural number less than 5. This statement means question given. You have to write this set in set builder form also and roster form. See that in roster form, set always written in curly bracket. Remember that when you are going to write the set, the element of the set always be written in the is curly bracket. See that all natural number less than 5. Already you have studied what are the natural number. The number is starting from 1 known as natural number, whole number that is starting from 0. I am going to explain about different type of the number after this completing this question. Means all natural number less than 5, you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the natural number which are less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. If less than equal to 5, then you have to write here 5. These are the natural number less than 5. If you are going to write in the set builder form, same way, x such that the meaning of this line or two dotted line, its meaning is such that x such that x. Now about x, what is the x? Suppose you know adjective, a word which qualify noun or pronoun known as adjective. Now what is the x? X is the natural number, means x belong to natural number. Meaning of this sign is belongs to or element of x belong to natural number and x less than 5. Means this is a way of writing the set in set builder form. X such that x belong to natural number, x less than 5. Some more question. See, the meaning of this symbol is belong to or element of. This meaning not belong to or not element of. Not belongs to or not element of. Okay. If you want to write, you can write on your copy. Question number first. Second question I am going to change. Say, second question, all integer between 3 and minus 3 and 3. Question is that all integers between minus 3 and 3. How can you write? In roster form, all the integer between minus 3 and 3, you know about integer minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the integers between minus 3 and 3. Now, in set builder form, x such that x belong to what is given here? Integers. X belong to integer. Now about x less than 3 and greater than minus 3. Now your question is complete. In roster form or tabular form, this one in set builder form. Now write some question. Okay. Some question is, first question, I am giving question in roster form, set builder form, and you have to write in roster form. Question, write the sets in roster form. Roster form. See that first, x such that x is equal to 2n, n belong to integer and n is less than 5. Second one, x such that x is equal to 1 by n square, n belong to whole number, n less than equal to 4. Third question, x such that x is equal to 1 upon n plus 1, n belong to integer means positive integer only, and n less than equal to 6. Fourth one, x such that x is equal to n square plus 1, n belong to whole number, and n less than equal to 3. This question I have given in set builder form, and you have to write in roster form. Thank you. Have a nice day.